So how to install Anyday app show slice simple. So just tap get here and then you will just double click, you'll be able to install it. Um, yeah, sometimes seems complicated. As they say here, so this is like an app. You can send your payment in the four installments, similar to Klarna app or similar to Affirm. So this is one of the apps called like buy now pay later category. It's quite popular in countries. It's one of the alternatives, yeah, actually to Klarna. So yeah, you can just create an account and then just proceed with it. It just takes some time here. Yeah, anyhow, so it's just for some reason it just keeps loading. But yeah, then you can just create an account, you can sign in, you can browse the shops available. So here you can see all the categories: arts and craft, electronics, footwear, kids, sports and outdoors. You can see some help center, some questions. If you want to create your account for free, then yeah, you can just log in. But yeah, seems this app is mostly popular in Denmark. That's why you need to sign in like that. I'm not sure when this app is actually coming to other markets, but yes, if you're in Denmark, that's one of the nice alternatives for Anyday, hopefully for Klarna. So hopefully this app will expand to other markets